Good day everybody, we have been given the two systems. Now let me take the equation 1 and equation 2. Now from geometry point of view, this is the equation of a sphere. This is the equation of a plane. Now we can utilize geometry and solve this, but I will be utilizing algebra to solve and find the value of x, y and z. So what I'm going to do is I will be utilizing this identity, which is x positive y positive z, the whole squared is equal to x squared positive y squared positive z squared positive 2 times of xy positive yz positive zx. Now from 2 we got x positive y positive z is equal to 5 times root 3, and I will be substituting that there. So this is 5 times root 3 whole squared, and also from 1 you got x squared positive y squared positive z squared is equal to 25. So this is going to be 25 positive 2 times of xy positive yz positive zx. So this will give you 25 multiplied with 3 is equal to 25 positive 2 times of xy positive yz positive zx. So this is 75 minus 25 is equal to 2 times of xy positive yz positive zx. Now from 75 you take away 25, what do you get? You get 50, isn't it? So you have 50 is equal to 2 times of xy positive yz positive zx. You divide by 2 both sides. 2 cancels 50 25 times. So 2 gets cancelled. So this is going to be xy positive yz positive zx. So I can take this as system 3. Okay, fair enough. I hope you are watching all this. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to be subtracting from 1 3, because from 1 what do we have? From 1 we have x squared positive y squared positive z squared is equal to 25, isn't it? This is 1. So from 1 you take away 3. So this is going to be x squared positive y squared positive z squared negative of xy positive yz positive zx is equal to 25 minus 25, which is equal to 0. Now what is this? This can be rewritten as, now x squared positive y squared, now let me write that out, x squared positive y squared positive z squared negative of xy positive yz positive zx is equal to 0. This is what we have got. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as x negative y whole squared positive y negative z whole squared positive z negative x whole squared is equal to 0. You expand this, you get x squared y squared, 2x squareds, 2y squareds, 2z squared. So I divide by 2. And also you get negative 2 times xy, negative 2 times yz, negative 2 times zx. That's why I'm dividing by 2, so that I get the original one. You cross multiply now, you get x negative y the whole square positive y negative z the whole square positive z negative x whole square is equal to 0. Now this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square. Now what the system is saying, the sum of the squares of these three is giving us 0. Is it possible? It is only possible if x negative y is equal to 0, y negative z is equal to 0, and z negative x is equal to 0. This is the only time the sum of these squares will be equal to 0. Now if x negative y is equal to 0 means, what does it mean? It means x is equal to y. If y negative z is equal to 0 means, what does it mean? It means y is equal to z. If z negative x is equal to 0, what does it mean? If z is equal to x. So what do you infer from here? X is equal to y, y is equal to 0. So this means x should be equal to y and y is equal to z. So if x is equal to y and y is equal to z, so let me consider 2. Take 2. So what is the system we got into? X positive y positive z is equal to 5 times root of 3. Right. So let me utilize this side. So x positive y positive z is equal to 5 times root of 3. Right. Now x is equal to y is equal to z. So that means x positive x is equal to 5 times the root of 3. So you add all these things, you get 3x is equal to root of 5 times the root of 3. So x is equal to 5 times the root of 3 divided by 3. So this in turn would mean y is equal to 5 times the root of 3 divided by 3 and z is equal to 5 times the root of 3 divided by 3. Now let me show you the check. What is the check? X squared positive y squared positive z squared is equal to 25. Right, I'm going to check here. So you substitute the values. 5 into root of 3 divided by 3 squared plus 5 into root of 3 divided by 3 squared plus 5 into root of 3 divided by 3 squared. This should be equal to the right hand side. So let me check that. So 3 squared, 3 squared, 3 squared. This is going to give me 9. And you add all those things. This is 5 squared and 3, 75, 75, 75. Isn't it? You get 5 squared, that's 25, and 3 squared, root of 3 squared is 3. So 3 75s are there. So 3 times 75. Right. Now 3 divides here 3 times. Now 3 divides here how many times? 3 2 are 6, 1, 15, 5 times. So you are getting 25. What is that 25 equal to? The right hand side. So hence the solution is the exact one. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.